So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a breakfast burrito. Veggie. Yummy. Yeah. What? That didn't come out right. We want to come out like this. You guys ready? Let's do this. Okay, so here are the ingredients. We have some broccoli, fresh broccoli, onions. Of course, you need a knife. Eggs. I have about 4, actually 5. Salsa, coconut oil or some type of oil. I would prefer either coconut oil or avocado oil. That's just me. Or olive oil. Your flour tortillas. You can also do corn tortillas as well. That's a little bit healthier. And then your seasoning: parsley, salt, and black pepper. So first, I'm going to cut the broccoli just into little pieces, just because if you cook them big, it's not going to be able to fit the eggs, and then it's not going to be able to fit inside the pan as well. Okay, now I'm going to take a teaspoon or tablespoon some coconut oil, put it in there. Okay, as the broccoli is cooking, now you're going to prepare the other items like the onions. Okay. I don't like them cut too small. Dump them in there. Now you want this to cook until you start to see it roast a little bit. And as you see here, the broccoli is looking like a little lighter green. That just means that it's cooking. And you don't want to add your eggs too fast, because then your broccoli will be too fresh and your onions won't be cooked at all. Mix it. You see it starting to be brown a little bit. And you can turn the temperature down just a little bit. Let that cook. Now you want to crack the eggs. Okay, now eggs. pour it in. Now you just want to mix it so that the eggs get cooked everywhere. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot adding the seasoning. Before it cooks everywhere, you do want to add some seasoning. A little bit of pepper. And some parsley. Mix it. Yeah, this is basically done. So I'm gonna move this over. We're gonna turn our heat up a little bit more. Another pan so that we can warm the tortillas. Yeah. Thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you tried to make this today. If you haven't, try it and then comment below. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, and can't wait to see you guys back for more. Bye.